are you doing up there?
Pressing, cleaning.
Cleaning and pressing. I'm gonna turn the light on, get some light into place.
Yeah, you might want to do that.
So you got your clean rag there? You get that all the oil out there?
Yep.
Okay, I wiped all the oil off with this clean rag here. Clean enough.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need some retaining compound.
Retaining compound, right there. Do we need 4,500 psi or?
Well, that's the strongest one.
Oh, well, there you go.
It's good to 355 degrees, and it's got 10 thou gap filling capacity.
So that'll fill both our gap.
That'll fill in that 1 thou extra we got in there.
Yeah, that'll fill that in.
Okay, that's that one. Now this one here is good to 450 though.
That says thread locker though.
And it's thick.
But that says thread locker.
Yeah, but it's wicking grade too, so it goes in. That's also oil tolerance. See how it says oil tolerant?
What does wicking grade mean?
That means it sucks in.
Oh.
Do you see how it says oil tolerant on there?
Mm-hmm.
That means you can have oil on it. See how that one has oil tolerance too?
Mm-hmm.
That one will have some oil. You know why we have oil on there? Because I know there's oil still on there because cutting fluid.
Mm-hmm.
My fingers still feel it. So we got that one we can use. Then we got this one over here. This is 290 wicking grade. This is only good to 300 degrees. It's thin, really thin, and it's not oil tolerant. So it has to be clean. And then someone borrowed my other rag, green Loctite. Who was that?
Mm-hmm.
Thought they would brought it back.
Not that green one back there?
They said they brought it back, but I don't see it.
290 little one back there?
This is 290 right here.
No, down there. Down there.
Well, that 290 and this 290 are the same thing.
Well, that's the one I'm
So we only got these two. There used to be a third one, but it's missing right now. And the third one is the one I wanted to use because it was only down to 4,000 psi.
Why? You need 4,500.
Somebody borrowed my Loctite. I don't remember who took my Loctite.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I remember who that person. It was me. It's down at Louis getting the transmission rebuilt. So I took the Loctite down there to use down there. Okay, so we're going to go between these two grades.
Why we're going to go between them? We just use that one.
Well, that's the most severe holding power.
Right. That's what we need.
And this one here is the other one that's thicker.
It just says thick. It doesn't mean thicker. It just says thick. Yeah.
This one's full.
Mm-hmm.
Or empty.
So it's thick.
This is wicking grade. That means it'll suck in.
Do we need wicking grade?
No, we don't.
Oh, then there you go.
This is 4,500. This is the highest holding power retaining compound we have.
That's what we need.
So we want the best.
Yeah, because we're going to call some big dudes to
Okay, here you go.
come yank on this.
So we got some yank on it.
Yeah.
We want it good. Now we got to make a pressing tool somehow. Okay, I think I'm pretty good on this side.
Yep, that works perfectly.
Okay, now what are we going to do about the other side though?
What do you mean? What other side?
Well, we have to back up this side so we can press this all the way through. Remember, this goes all the way through this way.
Mm-hmm.
So that means we have to have something on this side supporting this diameter.
Oh, that's easy.
So that'll go all the way through.
Yeah, that's easy.
It is?
Yeah.
We need a piece of pipe that size. Is that easy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You got a piece of pipe about the size of this will go slip through?
That one right there. 2.5.
It won't slip through.
What do you mean? 2 7/8.
This sticks out the other side. It has to go through.
What size is that?
Whatever you cut it to last time.
Big.
Big. I'm not seeing anything I can use.
We can't just use the table?
The table don't have a hole in it.
I thought it does. Don't it have the little X pattern thing on it? Oh, it don't. Okay. What is this stuff over here? Is all of this for the press too?
Yeah, it's all in one, all in nothing.
Oh.
We're just going to have to make do.
Let's see this one.
No, you have to hold on to this one.
What's that thing back there? What are those things?
Those are tools.
Oh.
Those are carbonators way in the back.
Yeah.
that one
What is
there?
that? Ooh, it was close. No cigar.
If I had a big twin race laying around like I used to, I could use that. But we don't have that here right now.
Nope.
We have bearing race, but that's not the right size. You know, we could use bearing race. We can use the twincam bearing race for the big twin. We got some of those down here. We need too big. And that bearing itself is too small, so that doesn't work. That. Oh, there we go. The only problem is that's a piece of crap you press against it. Well, it will be crap after you press it. It'll break the cage. All right, I think we're on our own. We don't have a big bearing race. I used to have some big bearing races floating around.
So like we're just gonna have to kind of
Fudge it.
yeah.
And there might be some pressing tools up there that I might have kept. There might be some on a pile of crap over there I kept too. But who knows?
The world may never know.
I'm pretty sure the world will never know. I don't know. That's the problem. You're missing all your pressing tools.
It's probably in the mountain.
I have no idea. It's with a lot of my tools. I don't know where they're at. The stuff got scooped up and it disappeared and went away. Now let's see. We did not change out the tinkin. Maybe change out the bearing on that motor already. It's got to be up here. Nope. Did not take out that race yet. Nope. Didn't do it yet, so I can't steal his. Yep. I'll go. We'll have to make do. Alright, we'll make do without.
Alright. Well, we'll make and do without.
Push my case.
No.
48 is too early.
Yeah, that's unsafe.
What
What is that over there?
What? Cylinders? That's not going to
No.
help.
No, those look brand new.
I'm picking this one over here. That bearing race right there is what I'm looking for. That's we need one of those. We don't have one.
Nope.
Used to. Somewhere. Not today. What do we do? Okay. So we're gonna go. We're gonna make do, right? Okay. So we don't need this.
We do need
We
that.
don't need that. We don't need that. This is in my way.
What's this box right here?
This box?
Yeah.
So I step and get up to there.
Oh.
Might be some tools up in there, but I don't know, 'cause I'm not up there. Okay, what I need is this right here. Heavy. There. Put those two together. What the hell?
Look like you got a burr.
Whatever it was, it went away because it ain't there anymore. I'll keep these burr free for this reason so I can slide across without doing anything.
Well, you're a little off center there.
I can go right to here. I'll be on center. Just gotta make sure you don't go through that. Okay, now I need something else. I need some kind of a spacing block. Either that one or this one. Or a couple other ones. Where's my tool?
What tool?
Oh, this tool right here. This is a right thickness. You said it was.
Yeah, it's thick. It ain't that it's full, it's thick.
Is that the right stuff?
Mm-hmm.
It couldn't be the cold weather.
Do you have a rag to wipe your finger off?
Why?
I'm just asking.
I already wiped my
You
finger
don't
off.
need wicking grade all over the place.
It smells like the good stuff too.
You sure you're using enough of that?
Well, do you want to come out or do you want to go in? Well, you paying for this?
Mm-mm.
Oh, so it doesn't matter.
Not the Loctite.
So it doesn't matter to you.
I brought Loctite to compensate for the Loctite.
No. Are we using that one? No.
I mean, we can.
Okay, this is a retaining compound. It's not Loctite. Well, that's different Loctite.
It'll spray and glue it there for 20 minutes.
I'm going to put this on here. Okay,
Wrong go. Oh, there you go.
doesn't go that way.
Really, you're not pressing it in. Pressing it in that way.
Is this one?
Yeah.
This is loose in here, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. So I think we need a little bit. Are you sure it's gonna click? It'll cover that?
Hey, if the mouth is right, it's going to work. If the mouth is wrong, it's not going to work. So is the mouth right or wrong?
At this point, it's pretty damn iffy.
Gotta remember who worked on it. Person that worked on it last. It's their fault. Okay, first thing I do is we have a problem here. You can't have the blocks in this direction. In this direction.
Why?
Because I don't want to have,
Oh, because of the support,
I
stupid.
don't have support. Actually, it doesn't have to because it holds up. Okay, just hold that flat. Actually, it doesn't matter because it's undercut on
Alright.
so yeah, we can go this way. We have this right here. It's going to go in there. Now, if that collapses from too much press fit, what's going to happen?
We have to start all the fuck over.
Oh, shit. It won't work?
You know you're actually flush down at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Something's wrong. It didn't go in.
Huh?
Something's wrong. It didn't go in.
It did. I felt it. It moved the damn whole bar.
Nope.
Because I went from being a little bit lower to a little bit higher. Yeah, you.
This is not what we thought it is because it ain't going. Oh. That's
I told you that. I told you was flush with the bottom.
Oh, I didn't listen to you.
See, that's the problem. You was over here trying to get ready to squeeze the press fit.
It wouldn't go any deeper.
Because it's up against some solid material over
Is
there.
that what it was?
You sure you're on the edges over there?
I'll find out in a minute. We don't have a lot of support over here, so.
I thought that was why you wanted a block, to space it out. Space out the spacers. See?
Now you push it back in
See?
for support. Track's gonna start working here. 10 tons is enough pressure.
You need more.
Any more, I'll push it out the side of my block.
You look like you're a little bit higher.
Okay, go see if it fits the tool. There you go. Oh, it's on the wrong side.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. Okay. But we have all this material in here.
Yeah.
We can get rid of that.
That's fine.
I don't think it's going to come out.
That it's not. Well, we got a press that goes really, really high.
Especially that Loctite on there. There's all these burrs everywhere. I keep finding burrs.
It's because you keep setting it down on sharp edges.
We don't have good files around to get rid of burrs.
You got enough files to get rid of burrs.
This one will work. That one's gone. Keep finding more burrs.
Just wrap it in electrical tape.
Oh, is that what we're going to do?
Yeah. Create a handle.
This one
Electrical
right here?
tape. Yep, that's the way it
Watch
goes.
your balls.
Seems a little tight there, Tatro.
Doesn't fit.
So the press fit is too press fitty.
It is. I'm thinking I crushed that tube a little bit when I was pushing on it.
You look for a hammer? Good job. There you go. It fits. Bam. And that's how you true a crank with this tool. It's going to rotate regardless, Tatro, because it's sitting on that race.
So the race is a tight spot.
Yep.
Plug fit. It's tight right here where we're pressing on it.
Where it was uneven at.
You can feel the burr. I was pushing on it. Shoved it in a little bit.
That'd be alright.
collapsed it. Well, after we used it a few times, it'll take up the gap.
It'll be all right.
Watch your balls down there. I'll hit you. I'll come up and nail your butt. It's a nice plug fit. It'll wear in. It's a tap fit. Okay, where's the rest of the tool?
Wait, what? Oh, I'm looking for a hole that's on the side of the dang thing. You said you were going to eliminate one washer from the armature, sir. Yes, from that armature right there, sir. No, washers go in between there.
Is that where these go?
Yep. So take the armature.
It doesn't work right there?
Take the armature off.
This is an armature?
Yeah, the armature.
I didn't know that was an armature. Can you put all these on there?
How many you got on there? 5 or 4? You need more now. Man, it's
Good
fine.
now. Got some tools around here too.
I think doing it this way is easier.
Then our big tool.
What big tool?
Double end, about that long.
I don't. This one right here?
Oh, this one right here. Oh, that's a different one. No, this one here goes over here with this tool.
Mm.
This one here goes over here with this tool. This one here goes where?
Anywhere?
With this tool also. Because we needed it. How much press fit do you want on that?
About 2,500 pounds.
And up to the stays?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
So you want to hold at that tension?
Mm-hmm.
So go ahead and lock this in.
Mm-hmm.
Check your tension.
Mm-hmm.
Tension got a little loose.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna break in. It's gonna start flopping around here. I don't like that. See how it's getting looser?
Yeah.
It's getting broken in. It's too loose.
Tighten it up a little bit.
Can I tighten it up a little bit?
Yeah, tighten it up a little bit. It'll be alright. Tighten it up a little bit.
So you take this here and tighten it a little bit.
Your lock nut didn't lock very well.
It didn't. Is that why it's still moving?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with this one. Hear that rain outside?
Looks like you're on both nuts.
Is that why it didn't want to move?
Mm-hmm. Hey, you're not doing that right. Oh, it really is raining outside.
Yeah, it is. Okay, that's pretty tight. It'll wear in, but it'll be good for now.
You need another washer. Yep.
It'll be fine. All right, it's gonna work. We got
Ooh, look at
much
that.
taller when clear.
Careful. Behind you.
Behind me.
Mm-hmm.